Hey everyone, it's Q and I am doing a new Thanksgiving table setting. With Thanksgiving coming up in just a few days, I'm testing out new ways that of trying to set up a table setting. So because this year has been crazy, as we all know, we are not able to host our Thanksgiving dinner like we used to with all of our family coming over. So again, it's just going to be a 5 of us, but I still kind of want to make it feel special. So I'm still going to decorate for my little family and, trying to make the day still feel somewhat special. All right, so let's get started. If you're interested in seeing what I came up with so far, all right, stay tuned. So the first thing that I have is this very blingy sequin tablecloth. I am so in love with this tablecloth because I wanted to go with the colors of gold and brown with a touch of orange. I figured, I wanted to still keep it kind of glam, so that's why I'm using this sequin tablecloth. And I'll put a link in the description of all the items that I'm using for this table setting. All right, so for my chairs, I have my white chair covers, and I am using the gold chair sashes to go with my theme. And I have my sequin tablecloth. I'm in love with this. It's so blingy and so shiny, and I think it just gives that extra pop to my table. I have my gold Dollar Tree chargers right here. If you are a subscriber to my channel, you will, you notice that I use these in pretty much all my table settings. These are the most cost-effective chargers for me that I can find out there. But yeah, I love these chargers. And for my table runner, I have this brown table runner to tie in my theme colors of the gold, brown, and orange. And then on top of that, I actually took a chair sash. It is an orange chair sash, and I just put that on top because I wanted to kind of add some pop of color, and I think just adding that one little piece did the job. As far as my centerpieces, I have my Dollar Tree bases that I just kind of blinged up. I use some Dollar Tree bling, and then I have some other bling that I use. I'll put a link in the description of this bling wrap right here. And then I have my flowers, and I love these flowers because they already have these diamond stones in them. I did not get these from the Dollar Tree, but you can also use the Dollar Tree flowers if you like. They do have, the white roses there. And I have some more Dollar Tree jars. Actually, all the jars on the table are from the Dollar Tree, and I just kind of decorated them. This next one is, the Dollar Tree jar with the Dollar Tree bling, and then I have my candle in here. I have my little jars, and then I have these water motifs right here. Is that what you call them? Motifs? Yeah. Next, I have this Dollar Tree jar, and I have it on a candlestick holder and with the same bling wrap as before, and then I have the candle. Moving along, here's my centerpiece, and I just used a combination of the Dollar Tree jars and blinged them up. And then I have the white flowers on top. And then the same on this end right here. So these were so easy to create, and I just think that using this gold bling, it makes everything pop. Again, with the sequin tablecloth, I feel like it all really goes together pretty well. Oh, also, I forgot to show you, I have the Dollar Tree mirrors right here under these 2 candles. Just to add, more to the table. But one thing I do like about this table setting is that I have the height of this centerpiece right here in the middle, and then the ones on the sides, they're, have a little height because of the candlestick holders. And then I have the ones just sitting on the table with nothing underneath them. And I like that because it just gives that table dimension, it gives the table height. I like the look of having different heights in my centerpieces. For the backdrop, I have sequin curtains on the ends, and it's the gold to actually match the sequin tablecloth. And then the center is actually not a like backdrop curtains, actually a tablecloth, and it actually just matches the table runner when I actually order these. And yeah, so you guys, I still have to steam this, so don't judge me. This is like 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm filming this. But yeah, I'm gonna get this all steamed up and ready for when it's actually Thanksgiving, so it won't look like that. But yeah, it is a tablecloth that I am using as a curtain because I do not have an orange curtain. I need to invest in one. But me being budget friendly, I figured this will do. No one else is gonna come here. It's just my little family, and my kids could care less whether it's wrinkled or not. But I am gonna steam this thing. But other than that, that is our look that I think I'm gonna use for Thanksgiving. I'm gonna probably test out another look just to see, you know, what I can come up with. And then I have my uplight right here in the back, just to kind of add that extra touch to the whole setup. And I think it came out pretty nice. Everything was pretty easy, pretty simple. And because I had all the stuff here, I didn't have to order a single thing, which makes it all better. And it was fun putting all this together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And please post in the comments, you know, some ideas of what you guys are gonna do for Thanksgiving. I'm interested in seeing how you guys are planning to decorate and what color schemes you're gonna use. And if you are not a subscriber, please feel free to subscribe, as I do videos like this all the time. And I hope you guys have a wonderful and blessed Thanksgiving, and I will chat with you in the next one. Take care.